Hello, and thank you for tuning into the frequency of a new awareness. Today, this video is going to be more of the personal, because during my research of the Catholic Church and their dealings throughout the Dark Ages and the Middle Ages, I became aware of a deeply and strong intuitive and emotional trauma in my Akashic records. What are Akashic records? The Akashic records are the memory of all your emotions and energies that you experienced throughout the lifetime of your soul. And your soul is eternal. So all your lifetimes here on earth are in that record. And this record is part of your DNA. And for example, your brain is your record of your experiences and your emotional experiences in this lifetime, in this particular body. So once you become aware that you are more than your body, when you become aware that you are actually one with the universe, you are starting to tap into your Akashic records. You become aware of emotional events and intuition, what might have happened in previous lifetimes. There's not a record really of precise events. It is more on an emotional basis and intuition, how you connect to your Akashic records. And this is what happened to me. So I have an intuitive, emotional feeling and awareness that I have been persecuted, tortured, and killed by the Catholic Church or on the order of the Catholic Church in numerous past lifetimes. And it is very strong. That's why I might have in my speaking about the Catholic Church a rather strong, or maybe some people would say hostile attitude against the Catholic Church. And I think that's where it comes from. So it is my desire to heal this Akashic record, because these negative emotions, if I allow them to carry on in my life throughout my lifetimes, it has an effect on my life, on my own life quality, peace, joy, and love. So it is in my own interest to heal these traumatic experiences. And that is what I'm going to do. And you can follow along in these videos that I will post regarding the Catholic Church. And afterwards, we will go through the whole process. But it goes like this. Most of us have in their homes a junk drawer. Everything what we don't know what to do with goes into that drawer. And after years of accumulation, the drawer becomes rather full, and we decide to clean it up. And all the old things that we did put in there in the first place, or the first, are all in the back of the drawer. So in order to decide if we want to keep it or throw it away, we have to bring it out from the back of the drawer into the forefront, look at it, and decide throwing out or keeping. And it's the same with the traumas of your life, either in this life or previous life. It doesn't matter. It's just a way of perception. Because when you look at it from the viewpoint of the soul, there is only one life, and that is eternal. if you look at from the viewpoint of this one life, this body that you are in right now, then it's just this one life. So it's just, if you expand, it's just a matter of perception. So therefore, we have to bring it out from the back of the drawer, look at it, and regard it. So in my life right now, I have to dig deep into the record and pull out the emotions and the traumatic experience from the back of the drawer, look at it, and disregard it. And the exact process is, that's what I'm doing right now. I became aware that there is something that I need to clean up in my life. So I'm now going to dig it up, look at it, and I'm going to do this. Some people do it through journaling. They write down what they feel when they bring up these traumatic experiences. I'm not really a good writer. I speak about it. I speak about it on the video, and then I go through the process of disregarding it, of transforming it. I cannot change the events. They have happened. But I cannot change the energy, the emotion that I feel about the event. That's where forgiveness comes in, and so forth. But once I get to this point, I will explain these steps closer. So this is what I'm going to do. The one purpose, to talk about the truth of the Catholic Church, the evil and the atrocities that have been committed by the Catholic Church. Now, the second purpose is to tell the public the truth. When we look at the Catholic Church, we hold this holiness, it has this shroud, this facade of holiness around it, and this untouchableness. And we have this because we know that the history books are written by the winners, not the losers. And the Catholic Church throughout time has always made sure to be on the side of the winners. So they have been very active in writing and participating in writing the history books. So that they always come out smelling like the roses. But that's not actually true when we look behind the facade. In my first video regarding the start of the Catholic Church, we have already gotten a glimpse of what the cornerstone of the Catholic Church is. It is not Jesus. It is not God. It is not the teachings of Jesus. It is the lust for power and greed. And this will follow the Catholic Church throughout today. Nothing has changed regarding the Catholic Church, their intention, what they are all about. You will see it today as you saw it 2,000 years ago. So these are the two purposes that have the videos regarding the Catholic Church. And I'm not saying that the Catholic Church has no right to being there because of their past or because of what they do. It is not my place. If the Catholic Church exists or not, I don't really care about. But as long as people go and support this organization and this religion with money or presence, present, in physically present being in services and their events, that's how long the Catholic Church has a purpose. So, but I think everybody should know the truth so that they can come and make their own decision if they want to support this organization and be part of it or not. And this decision everybody has to do by themselves or for themselves. And I'm not here to influence anybody. I just express my experiences and from past lifetimes, and what I believe, what I think. But that's just what it is, my opinion. So, but anyway, if you're interested in following me in the journey of clearing the Akashic record, or if you just want to find out the other side of the coin regarding the Catholic Church, please keep following this channel, maybe even subscribe. But anyway, so I hope to see you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.